pallets for the lower half. We're going to work on getting the rest of the shelves in today, and hopefully get some plastic over the top and the back, and worry about the window later and the door. So we'll try and get that done, get the lower support brackets for the shelf in and all the top pallet pieces. We'll see how it goes.
My dad is working with boards. Probably already. Dad, this looks like a perfectly good board. Why aren't you using it?
Well, probably just got left over there. Alright, so I'm cutting up some more pallet boards. Broken up, I think 6, 7 pallets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pallets all together. So, yeah, I got my little gauge board for long cut for the air. Taking the pallet boards and sizing them up. Best. On some of these boards you'll see I'm making 2 cuts. It's from where the ends are splitting, where the screws or nails were at. So I'm trying to pick the best position of the board to get the best piece possible. Lots of waste, but it's pallet wood, so whatever's left over we'll use on other projects or burn. Alright, so got a pretty good little spread. Callista's bows. Got my battery. So I'm going to come through and pre-drill the top boards because the old pallet wood likes to split when you run a nail through it. So we're going to pre-drill all the nail holes in the pallet board only, not into the stud. So get those drilled out as soon as I grab the battery. So. Alright, I got a battery. So, got a Ryobi 18 volt cordless. I got it at a second-hand store with a saw. The pair, I think we paid $15 for the 2 of them. New battery, of course, but I'm hoping to get something better. But so far, Ryobi's been doing great, and keep using it until it burns out. What?
You don't have to shout.
I can't hear you. It's very quiet out here. doing?
Gonna play on my tire swing, of course.
Oh, nice.
Who wouldn't? That's the funnest thing in the world. Whoa, you got a lot done in like 30 minutes.
Well, to get all these nailed down, it'll be a lot better. And I get to go to the other side. Do you know why I'm pre-drilling all these holes?
So it's easier to put the screws in.
No, so the wood doesn't split. We're not using screws. We're using nails to attach these because I can't afford to put that many screws in this thing. Screws are too expensive and the nails were free from the secondhand store.
Yeah, I know.
You want to come drive some nails?
No, thank
Are
you.
you sure they're easier?
No.
Here, come give one a try. I'll start you finish it. All right. Nice. Told you it was easy. Maybe you should grab your tool set and come help me. Maybe later. All right. Have fun on the tire swing.
There's a jar right here. Dad, there's a jar right here.
Huh?
There's a jar.
Yeah. Pull it out. It's an old glass bottle. Maybe use it for something later on.
Okay, it's staying right there.
Do you stop that for a minute?
Just stop it.
Break time.
Stop it or pause it.
Stop. All right. Well, went back to my wood stash. Nice boards. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not yet, but let's see what they look like. Let's see if I can get some more pallet wood cut out. Judge it. Got lots of shelf stability here, so might need this. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna stop it. We'll mess with some pallets. All right. So I've got the boards cut and in place. Now we get to do the fun part of nailing them all down and pre-drilling them. Then we'll get these two shelves cut straight and move on to the next spot. Got more stuff to do on this. Alright, so got the shelves in, one on this side, one on that side. Drew me a line and straighten that end on up so it looks nice. And yeah, gotta figure out the rest. Alright, let's get these pallets tore apart. I picked these ones up at a growing place in Airway Heights. I forget the name of it, darn it. But yeah, so it's a little small brewery, but they had them outside, and I said, take them. I'm gonna use them. Pry bar.
I can be grandpa.
Huh?
I can be grandpa.
What?
I can be grandpa.
The game.
Yeah. Okay, Dad.
Okay, daughter.
What's in my hand? And if you get it wrong, I'll tell you what it is.
Cracker.
Dad, it's in this hand. Just let me finish what I was saying. Okay? Now. Just gotta guess, okay? Okay. Start.
No.
Not right.
No, not right.
No! Yes!
Pull that board down. Don't cut yourself on the nails. Pull. Just push it down. Sit down. Let's go real easy. Oh, 5 more to go. We'll see if you guys happen to watch it all. Morning. Tuesday. Today we're going to get the top beams on the greenhouse put in. Get that finished up. We'll get the plastic poured over it today so we start putting stuff in it. Picked up a flat disc for my angle grinder to kind of sand down these boards, make them a little leveler, smooth it out some, make it look nice hopefully. We'll see how that goes. And also, got a new Milwaukee tool set yesterday. Really needed a new set of drills and an impact drill. So I got that and a hacksaw, sawzall, all for a really good deal. So we're gonna give those a try today. But first, we've got to cut some 2x4 down. If you've been watching the build, you can see how it goes. Cut it in half, lengthwise. Just use my speed square, mark it off halfway each. It's not got to be perfect if you use the dimensions in the right directions. Ah, I love you too, sweetie. Nice. Nice. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I'm gonna fight this race ever. All right, so I added the cross supports in here and some angle supports, of course, and some old pallet 2x4 for center support onto the shelves, and then we've stapled the top one down, and now we're gonna go ahead and see about putting some plastic over this thing so we can start making it work. I might try the sanding first real quick before that, see how well this sander works, see if I can clean these boards up real fast. Yeah, it's moving right along. Alright, this flat sander did seem to be working pretty good. There you go. As you see, did a pretty good job cleaning up this old pallet wood.
Yeah, I noticed it's pretty shiny.
Yep, so we're going to work on this side now. Alright, we're heading over to do the hoses now, but you can see the greenhouse over here I'm working on. It's coming along. Got the plastic kind of pulled in place. I'll have to do some more work to add some places to staple it down, but got that moving along. Alright, there's the other one waiting to be put together.
Bye!
Have a good day.
Hello, Leo.